Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial on how to fill a PDF programmatically. So I've created a console project in Visual Studio 2022 and installed the IronPDF library, and I did that using the NuGet package manager. Make sure that you've installed the latest version of IronPDF. The newest version is recommended for a smooth process. So first let's move to the code file. In the code file, I imported the IronPDF library at the top, and it enabled the use of the IronPDF library in the code. I created a variable of type PDF document and opened the PDF file using the FromFile function of IronPDF. In the parameter, I then passed the path of the PDF file. So this is the PDF file I'll be filling using the IronPDF smart functions. I extracted the form from the PDF file using the form property of the loaded document and saved it in the form variable. So now it's time to access the form fields and their values, and using IronPDF it's really easy to do that. IronPDF allowed access to all fields by index and field name in the form. So I'll use the indexer method for this tutorial to access all the fields. And as you can see, I used a value property of each index at a specific index number and assigned it a value. And then at last, I saved it as destination using the save as function. So let's run the project and see the output. All right, there you go. IronPDF filled data very precisely. All fields are filled up and the font is within the text fields. Nothing's messed up and everything's perfect. Well, I hope this tutorial was useful, and as always, if you need any more help, our support team is standing by ready to assist.